this video I'm going to show you how to attach a pipe to the pulling head, to the puller. This is one of the pullers for installation of 90 millimeter pipe. Now, first thing you do, you unscrew this part, the elements for fixing pipe inside the puller. So what we do now, we take our pipe. This is the pipe that we want to attach to the puller, and we assemble those elements together like that. Put it inside our pipe. We put it all the way in, as you see it here. Then we put the pipe into the housing of the puller. Put it over here. Take the bolt and spin it clockwise. Another thing you do, you just pull it. Take a small metal bar, tighten it a little bit to make sure the pipe does not escape the puller. Now we have the drilling rods, the reamer and the chain link. The next thing we do is connecting the puller. We take the puller, bring it over here and connect it with one of the chain links. We can connect several pullers at once, but now we work with this one. We connect the puller with the chain link just like that, with a metal bolt. We need to have some free space between the expander, between the reamer and between the puller, in order to give some freedom to the pipe. So we can attach several pullers to the chain link. Of course, it works in easy soils, or if we have a large drilling hole that will fit all the pipes that we are pulling. In fact, you can pull any reasonable number of pipes at once. I will just add one more puller to show you as an example.